Launched on 24th April last year by Prime Minister Modi, the SVAMITVA scheme has become quite popular. The scheme aims to solve the century-old property ownership crisis in rural India. But how? To understand that, we first need to understand how this crisis started in the first place. The concept of land record data was introduced by the Britishers to collect taxes or laghans. Now these records were only maintained for agricultural plots, while residential or commercial plots were never recognized. Now this system continued even after India gained its independence, but after 1947 there was a steep rise in India's rural population. This meant while families grew in size, so did each member's claim to their land. Whereas the system for maintaining land records had not changed. Instead of transitioning to advanced methods like the global coordinate system, we still relied on tehsildars to maintain physical registers containing local reference points that could easily be manipulated. Due to such malpractices, land disputes became more common. So without any credible land record data, the courts and banks did not recognize an owner's claim to their land. This resulted in families losing their ancestral lands. Without proper proof of ownership, families could not mortgage their land to avail loans and other financial services from the banks. The land ownership crisis has been one of the largest roadblocks to building the rural economy. Now this is where SVAMITVA comes in. What this scheme essentially does is it creates credible land record data using drones. It will give people non-disputable property rights by issuing a property card. Drones are flown over a village to capture high-resolution images. These images are then stitched together on an image processing software. This creates an orthographic map of the village, where every land is marked with geographic coordinates. The SVAMITVA scheme has quite a few benefits. Apart from solving the property ownership crisis, it will eliminate the need for tehsildars and physical land record registers. Since landowners can now avail financial services, their children can gain access to higher education, therefore liberalizing the rural youth. As of now, over 6,000 villages have already been mapped, and it is expected that this project will take 3 to 4 years to complete. However, with the developing drone industry, things may speed up a little bit. Either way, through SVAMITVA, we may finally be able to bridge the gap between urban and rural India. Lastly, to learn more about this project, head over to the Flykit blog, which is linked in the description below. Thank you for watching.